The 10 pillars of manifestation describe a step-by-step process for turning desires into reality. It begins with clearly defining what you want and expressing that desire outwardly. You then prepare internally by clearing doubts and visualizing success as already achieved. Gratitude and emotional positivity help maintain alignment, while detachment prevents over-attachment to outcomes. Patience and faith sustain the process over time. Finally, staying open to opportunities allows you to recognize and accept the result when it arrives, completing the cycle. Step 1. Decide what you want. The first pillar of manifestation is the foundation of the entire process, deciding exactly what you want. In the context of architecting abundance, this step requires absolute clarity. Manifestation often fails when the blueprint is vague. To effectively move toward a goal, one must define the what without worrying about the how. This involves identifying specific details, whether it is a career milestone, a relationship, or a health goal, to ensure the focus is sharp and unwavering. Step 2. Ask to the universe. Once clarity is established, the second step is to ask to the universe. This is the formal order placed within the architecting process. Outside of the sources, this is often interpreted as an act of vocalization or writing. By putting the desire into words, you move the thought from the internal realm of the mind into the external world. This pillar serves as a declaration of intent, signaling that you are ready to begin the co-creative process. Step 3. Clear your mind. The third pillar involves a crucial internal preparation, clearing your mind. Before a new structure can be built, the site must be cleared of debris. In manifestation, this means quieting the mental noise, the doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs that often suggest a goal is impossible. Many practitioners use meditation or mindfulness to achieve this state. By creating a mental vacuum, you make room for the focused energy required in the subsequent steps. Step 4. Visualize having what you want. With a clear mind, the fourth pillar focuses on the power of the subconscious, visualizing having what you want. This step is more than mere daydreaming. It is the mental rehearsal of reality. The goal is to see, feel, and experience the desire as if it has already occurred. By engaging all senses, imagining the sounds, smells, and emotions associated with success, you align your internal state with the external goal you are architecting. This creates a psychological pre-memory that guides your actions toward the outcome. Step 5. Express your gratitude. Gratitude acts as a frequency shifter. By being thankful for what you have, and even for the manifestation that is yet to arrive, you signal a state of abundance rather than lack. From an external perspective, gratitude is often considered the most powerful magnet in the law of attraction, as it reinforces the belief that you are already supported by the universe. Step 6. Be detached to the outcome. Perhaps the most challenging step is the sixth pillar. Be detached to the outcome. While you must remain focused on your goal, you must also let go of the desperation to see it happen. Detachment means trusting the process enough to stop monitoring where it is every second. This prevents neediness from blocking the energy of the manifestation. By letting go of the how and the when, you allow the universe the space to deliver the result in the most efficient way possible. Step 7. Always feel good. The seventh pillar emphasizes the importance of emotional maintenance. Always feel good. This does not mean ignoring life's challenges, but rather choosing to stay in a high vibrational state as often as possible. Joy, love, and excitement are seen as the fuel for architecting abundance. When you feel good, you are in alignment with the things you want. Conversely, staying in states of anger or sadness is thought to repel the very things you are trying to attract. Step 8. Have patience and faith. The eighth pillar is the bridge between the unseen and the seen. Have patience rarely happens overnight. There is often a buffer of time between the thought and the thing. This pillar requires the architect to stay committed to the vision, even when there is no visible evidence of progress. Faith is the conviction that the request from step 2 is being processed, while patience prevents the practitioner from giving up right before the breakthrough occurs. Step 9. Be open to receive. The 9th pillar is about active receptivity. Be open to receive. Many people ask for abundance, but subconsciously push it away because they do not feel worthy or because it arrives in an unexpected form. Being open means being alert to synchronicities, signs, and intuitive nudges that lead toward the goal. It involves saying yes to opportunities that align with your desire, even if they require you to step out of your comfort zone. Step 10. Receive. The final pillar is the culmination of the journey. Receive. This is the physical manifestation of the original desire. Receiving is an art in itself. It involves fully embracing the success, acknowledging that the process worked, and allowing the cycle to complete. Once you have received, the architecting process is finished for that specific goal, and you are ready to begin again, with a new vision, armed with the evidence of your previous success. By following these 10 pillars of manifestation, an individual moves through a systematic process of mental, emotional, and spiritual alignment to architect a life of abundance.